Welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Traders, I am here with a very great update. I have just started the Telegram channel, and I will post the scalping signals during the day on my Telegram channel. Those subscribers who are not willing to pay for the services in the start, they can join these Telegram channel, and I will post one or two free signals for you, and I will also send the signals other than the reports that I also give in my YouTube videos. I will post the scalping signals. I'm focusing on this point that scalping will be on the Telegram channel. However, there will be a lot of opportunities where I will also identify long trades as per my suggestions. So guys, just find 200 forex pips on Telegram and you will be able to find my channel. And if you want to get the link, so just get this link t.me/T is capital TWO 100, H is capital, and then Forex F is capital, and Pips P is capital. So this is the link. I am also providing this link in the description of the video. So guys, do not miss this opportunity, because this is for the newcomers. This is for also for those subscribers who are using my signals from last 3 years. For this, you will be able to find scalping signals, and I'm hopeful that you will be able to make some good profits. So be careful with this. You need to must subscribe this channel. I've just started, and I have also posted one of the trade on the on this channel. So do not forget to subscribe soon, so that you can get the daily alerts also from my Telegram channel. So guys, I am posting the link in the description of the video below, so do not forget to subscribe to 200 forex pips YouTube channel. Also do not forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, and hopefully we will be able to catch very good trades in the upcoming days. Okay guys, best of luck and thank you.